Despite the significance of personal finance, this core topic is neglected throughout the school. According to a recent survey by GObanking rates, 76% out of 1,000 Americans believe that schools are lacking in financial education, and as a result, individuals make mistakes in careers and face money problems. If you missed out on these essential things about money, don't worry, we will teach you. This video is critical for those who value money and want to learn about it to avoid financial mistakes. But before we jump to the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do it now, and hit the bell icon to watch more informative videos on Wisdomosity. Now let's get started. 8. Budgeting. Although in school you learn challenging mathematic concepts, a teacher will not tell you that budgeting is a backbone of financial literacy and how to manage money. Budgeting makes a person aware of his expenses and management of personal finance, because it limits you to spending only on essential things and restrains you from purchasing unnecessary. The 50-30-20 budgeting rule should be incorporated into students' early school years. According to this rule, 50% of money spends on needs, 20% on wants, and the rest of 20% on paying debts or saving. As an aphorism best describes budgeting, the person who does not know where his next dollar comes from usually does not know where his last dollar went. 7. Saving. Once you get a job and start earning, you start craving to spend your money for the things you longed for. And finally, you get trapped in the vicious cycle of spending and end up with zero savings in your retirement. The dilemma is that you never know how to save the hard-earned money to be financially secure. Even the advertisements showing brand new lucrative mobile phones or automobiles trigger your emotions and escalate your urge to buy them, spending bulk of bucks. However, all you need is to save money. You can do this tough task easily by setting small saving goals or cutting expenses on unessential things. Moreover, you can put 20% of your earnings in any interest-bearing account. It will have a tremendous effect on your life later. 6. Investing. There are numerous people out there who feel themselves totally in oblivion when it comes to investment. According to a survey, 44% of students said they were reluctant in investing because they were unaware of it. So let us resolve this confusion for you. Which schools will be failed to do so? It can be a game-changer step if you learn the formula of making money with money. Yes, you got me right. You need to invest and reinvest. Invest your large number of bucks instead of keeping them in banks. It is high time to ignore the cliche that only those with high net worth, stock market aficionados, invest more. Looking out the options for investing money, you can invest in property, shares in a fund, or stocks. So, invest regularly and be consistent. 5. Multifarious income streams. Throughout the school times, the teachers ingrained the concept of earning money through 9-to-5 jobs, not telling the alternative job options for making a living. But don't worry, we are here to tell you how to become the boss of your dreams with side hustles. Adding different hustles according to your passion not only secure your finances but also open new career horizons to you. Even if you lose your permanent job, undoubtedly exploring other income streams can transform your life by increasing your income and confidence. Before jumping to the next point, let me know if you have given thumbs up to the video. Done. Let's continue. 4. Negotiating. Many people feel shy when it comes to negotiation, whether in the workplace or personal life. But why? Because they were never taught in school. They never know that it is the trait and language of billionaires. Haggling in the correct way is the secret key to saving your money. But schools will not teach this skill to you either. It is significant to get command over negotiating skills in the best feasible way. So, bargain for everything you are paying for, whether they are mortgage rates, interest rates, or rates for buying a house. So never feel reluctant to negotiate during business deals. 3. Debt management. School business teachers usually teach about changing the current business dynamics of the world and emphasize the growth of student startup mentality. But the first thing they ignore is the aspect of business decision making, which is financing structure. The ultimate and most suitable financing structure for any startup is to invest in saving and raise debt to meet any investment deficiency. Debt management is not only a skill that is essential for the business world, but it also works in general. It is a very important part of budgeting and future planning for any human being. Saving the hard cash and raising debt for recurring needs is the most common fund management techniques that school will not teach you. Despite excess cash, debt raise, and its management helps you to budget your present and plans, and resultantly will improve your credit score, which will be discussed as the next important point of this video. 2. Credit scores. Credit scores are essential in your life. Good credit checks by financial institutions are crucial for you if you plan to get a loan and want to be approved. Your credit scores rely on your previous credit histories. For example, did you lend money and return the loan in time, and vice versa? Are you wondering why you are watching the video with that much interest? The answer is the same again. Yes, you didn't learn it in school. Managing credit cards is imperative, and you can obtain a good credit score by taking loans or using credit cards and then paying the loans back on time. If you are with me till now, let me know in the comments section below that how many of you knew already that not taking any loans can result in getting a poor credit score. 1. Emergency fund. Last but not least, schools will not teach you about the emergency fund, but feel lucky because we are here to tell you all about it. Emergency funds are stashed on the money lid side to be used in times of financial distress. The purpose of these funds is to tackle unanticipated events and secure finances. So, the rule is to save up to 6 to 7 months of your expenditures anywhere. Saving up emergency funds also keeps you away from spending money unnecessarily, because out of sight is out of mind. It was all about today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. But do not miss out on the next informative video if you are eager to know about the changing dynamics of business in the future. So, stay tuned with Wisdomosity.